Alright, welcome everybody. Today we're going to be doing walk around try hack me. How you doing? Sakumayajava. You have to like break that one down for me, man, so I can actually like read it correctly. Let's go ahead and start this machine on try hack me, and we'll go ahead and try to figure this guy out. Title is Watcher version 1.4, so hopefully this one's gonna end up being a good one. Should be a good time, and we'll yeah, hopefully get some good stuff on here. I already have my counting machine started up and everything. Let's go ahead and make a directory while waiting for this guy. Please do Cyborg. Cyborg is paid, isn't it? Let's go ahead and make directory. Need help? Oh, nope. That just fell. Never mind. Come on, this is back there. Thought you needed help. Something just fell, that's all. I feel like cyborgs are paid for one. But I mean, we can always check it out later on, see if it is or if it is not. I thought you were back there because the thing just fell. Samuel's thing for the ocean just fell over. I was like, you need help? I spun it out real quick. Got scared.
What? Oh.
This just fell over. Stop making fun of me all the time.
What's up? Kamarvia J?
I told him you gotta break the name down for me. I don't know.
Hi, brother. Please do.
Cyborg. Yeah.
Alright, Jay.
I don't think.
Jay.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay. I don't think that's Cyborg. I think Cyborg is a paid for one though. I don't remember. I mean, we're doing Watcher like right now. It would be. Well, it won't be tomorrow because I got that shift tomorrow. But learn. Let's see here. Let's search Cyborg. We'll try to figure it out. Cyborg. Oh, I already did some of it. Never mind. What did I do on it? I answered was running HTTP. Boom. You are what? No, I was kidding. Yeah, well, I mean, we'll do this guy. But let me do this Watcher first. This guy, are we gonna start up for us? I was about to say maybe he can't be pinged. Alright, let's go ahead and clear that out. And we will go ahead and hey RX100, how you doing? We'll go ahead and do an mmap scan on him. Mmap tac-p-tac, tac-pn, tac-vv, very verbose right, time at a 4, and no DNS lookup, so tac-n. Everyone's got their own little style of mmap, so I always like to do the tac-pn, even though I do ping them in the beginning usually, but if I still wasn't getting pinged, I like to throw in that tac-pn because Windows machines do not like to be pinged. So you can have a lot of problems with that. They're sitting there trying to get through them. You got to try to get through them. Throw that tac-pn, all of a sudden you can ping them. So I'm just used to doing that. Let me go ahead and look at this port 21. We also have port 80 up and running. Let me go ahead and do a Python 3 thorough search on him. Doesn't look like port 21 is. Looks like the version's good, and it also does not look like he has anonymous login allowed. So let's go ahead and check out this guy over here. I'm going to check out that port 80. We got cork placemats. Alright. I think we got ourselves a little store, huh? Cork placemats, okay. I'm going to view these guys. View, nothing happens, okay. I can click on them though. We got post equals bunch p.php, so we know we're going PHP. And we have post equals. Let's go ahead and try some local file inclusion here. Etsy password. Okay, so we do have an Etsy password. Alright, let's go ahead and see who we got in this box. We got Toby and a Matt. Looks like also a Will, FTP and FTP user. So we go ahead and do an mmap or a nano. Users.text, and that Matt only have one T in it also. And then from there we can do Toby, Will. Good job, Jay. That is correct. We'll do Will. We'll do Toby FTP user, FTP. We'll try to see if we can get some FTP going on here. Let's go ahead and do a Hydra, attack L. Jesus. There we go. User.text, tac P, and we'll try user share where there's rocky.text. That's going to be SSH on this IP address, like right here. Port 22. I did not want to do SSH, excuse me. We actually want to do port 21. Try to get FTP. There we go. See if that works. And then we'll also manually enumerate this guy. So we know that we do have local file inclusions. Let's go ahead and also see if there's anything else that this guy has, like robots.txt or anything like that. Any other areas of this guy. And we do. Okay, we got flag1.txt and a secret file do not read.txt. Let's go ahead and do that flag1.txt. Alright, flag robot.txt. What is next? I don't know. But I'm sure we will 100% find out. So there's flag 1. Alright, let's go ahead and get on to flag 2 now. We have another one. What was it? It was secret file do not read.txt. Go ahead and try that one. Forbidden, you do not have permission. Alright, well, can I read it in here then? He's probably going to be in var www.html, right? So let's go ahead and go to a var www.html. There we go. Alright, cool. Hi Matt, the credentials for the FTP server are below. I set the files to be saved to home, FTP, boom boom, FTP files, will, FTP user, give me file 77777. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop into FTP. I'm wondering, since we have this like right here, and we have local file inclusion, we should actually be able to put something into FTP, like a reverse shell, like a PHP reverse shell, and then run it from going to home, FTP user, FTP files, which will then bring us there. So let's go ahead and FTP into this box. That's going to be FTP 10.10.36.239. That's just what I'm thinking. That's where my mind's going like right now. And from here we have FTP user, and then give me file 777. So let's go ahead and do a, okay, FTP user is way too far away for some reason. I don't know why. FTP exit, FTP user, and then give me files 777. Let's go ahead and nano FTP login. Bro, accept my friend request in Discord. Alright, I don't really look at Discord very much. Nano FTP login, but when I look at it again, I'll see if it's in there. .text. Then we have an FTP user, and there we go. Give me files. Alright. From there, we're going to, let's see here, ls tech LA. Let's see what's already in here. So we do have a flag 2, and we have files. So we should actually be able to go to, so that's just an FTP. I see like how this is working like right now. So we should actually be able to go to, what is that going to be? Home FTP user FTP flag 2.txt, and we should actually get the second flag right there. Maybe not. Okay, maybe it is going to actually be, because it's not in files. There's files like right there. Or yeah, we can read it. Oh, it's flag _2. Okay, let's go ahead and try that again. So we should actually be able to go into home FTP user flag _2.txt. And there we go. So we don't even have to get that one like right there. We can just do local file inclusion to get him. That's a little nice move. Alright, and let's go ahead and put a reverse shell in here. CD into files. That's like I already said it was going to go. Alright, and let's go ahead and, yeah. Can we put something? Put. Alright, cool, we can. Let's copy over pentest monkey PHP reverse shell, right? Let's change the name to shell.php like I usually do. Let's go ahead and cat that. Let's do an ifconfig. And we have 10.9.8.166, and this is going to probably be 10.9.8.166. It is on port 4444. So let's go ahead and put that shell.php, and now he should be in there. Now we should be able to do a change mode, make that guy executable. Alright, and yep. So we have our shell.php, and I tried to make a change mode plus X, but that didn't really seem to do anything for it. We'll give it a try, see if that worked or not. Let's create a listener. 4444. And let's go ahead and take a look at that guy. FTP files /shell.php. And that didn't bring me back to anything. I did it. I feel like that shell.php is not doing what I actually want to do. Can we remove? I swear we can remove. Delete. Put shell.php. There we go. Now I think we do type, right? Isn't type something in here? Yeah, type shell.php. Okay, unknown mode. Okay. I'm gonna leave them like that. See if that's gonna work. And it does. If we get our something back over here. So if we do an ID, we are www.data. ls-la. We already got cat2 and everything, so we're good with that. Let's go ahead and cd into home. And we have an FTP user, Matt, Toby, and Will. We can cd an FTP user if we want to. Don't know if that's really that big of a deal. We can try cd an FTP. And yeah, we already got that flag too. cd backback slash let's cd into Matt. Okay, we got flag 5. Let's go ahead and cat that flag 5. See if we need that. Can we get that? No, we cannot. Permission denied. Okay, can we cat that note.txt? I've set up sudo rights to use a Python script as my user. Okay, so hi Matt. So Matt set up sudo rights for Will. Let's see what Will has. He has flag 6. Sudo has admin successful. Okay, cd backback. And what else do we got here? We also have Toby. cd into Toby. And was I just in Toby? cd in jobs? I don't think so. We got cow.sh. I can execute that. Let's go ahead and cat that cow.sh. I can execute and read that. Temp cow.jpg. Copy home at cow. Can I do something like that? Can I echo test? Give me some tips to increase consistency while doing hacking. Just keep doing boxes. Let's start to figure out different things that you can do. Just keep doing boxes. Let's go ahead and every time you do a box, try to figure out another way in. Let's go ahead and cat scripts suid lookup. See what this guy can run. Stick to the same methodology and always be cracking, just like they just the ABCs of hacking say. Always be cracking. So always be trying to do something. Just like this guy's still running down here. We have this guy up here, right? He's got bin su, user mount. So you should always be trying to get in somewhere. Don't ever just be sitting there idle watching something and waiting for it. Let me go grab something to drink. Alright, what do we got here? This guy frozen? It seems like he's frozen. I want to NC back into him. Sudo tac L. Can we run sudo on this guy? We can. As user Toby with no password. Let's go into cd into Toby then. cd into /home Toby. If we can run it as Toby with no password. Okay, I did not see that coming. So let's go ahead and do the sudo cat flag 4. Sudo Toby, right? I have to run it as sudo tac u Toby. Is that how it is? Can I just sudo su into Toby? Let's try this first. Flag 4.txt. Can we do that? I guess that doesn't make sense, does it? Sudo tac u Toby cat flag 4.txt. Is that how I do it? Yeah. Cool. Alright, so right now that was flag 4. Where the heck is flag 3 at? Let's go ahead and CD back. Well, actually, let's go ahead and CD back into there. CD back into Toby, because I can run stuff as Toby, right? CD. Yeah, CD and Toby. Okay. Let's go ahead and cat that note.txt again. Hi Toby, I've got some cron jobs set up for you now, so don't worry about getting that done, Matt. Okay, so we have some cron jobs, so can we cat etc cron tab? We can. Okay, Matt, home Toby jobs cow.sh. So can we go, and we already saw that right in jobs, CD into jobs. And we have cow.sh, and I feel like Toby can do something with this, right? So let's go ahead and cat that again. Cat cow.sh. Let's go ahead and echo just a reverse shell for bash. Well, yeah, it's bash because it's .sh. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and do a cat scripts bash reverse shell text. Let's go ahead and grab this. Okay, and we'll do a I have config down here. Go ahead and grab that. Alright. Alright, so now we're looking at, well, I could always type out the whole thing here, couldn't I? So we got cow.sh, right? And we could echo that, and then that into cow.sh. Let's go ahead and try to do that like real quick, see what we get. Can I create cow.sh permission to sudo tacu Toby, right? I want to append it, that's why. Go ahead and append that file. So sudo tacu Toby. Can I create cow.sh permission denied? I feel like I should be able to append that file though, right? Let's go ahead and cat full shell. Script full shell. Which Python 3? If I run Python 3, yep, it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and vim sudo tacu Toby vim cow.sh, right? Can I do that? Terminal entry now available. Okay. I feel like I have to get into Toby first. Let's go ahead and sudo tacu Toby su Toby. Can I do that? Sudo tacu Toby su into Toby. Can I do that? Okay, I was hoping I could do that with no password. So now we just got to try to figure out CD back into home. CD into Matt maybe? What can Matt do? Python script in my user. Go ahead and run the script with sudo as it should be safe. There's that cow. I really want to get CD into scripts. Can Tony mess with this at all? Probably not, huh? Command F5. Okay, I really want to. I feel like I should be able to CD into jobs. Hey, thanks a lot, Chris. What is that? .swp. That's a new one for you. What is that? I really want to change up what this guy says, like right here. Can I remove? Sudo tacu Toby move tac rf cow.sh. Can I do that? And then put it. I can. Alright, cool. Then that means that we should be able to do a sudo tacu Toby remove tac rf. So that means we can put another one in there. If we can remove it, then we can put another one in there. right? And I should be able to do a sudo tac-u-toby and then do a wget for cow.sh. So let's do a Python tac-m simple server. We'll do http tac-u-toby wget http 10.9.8.166.8888/cow.sh. Now hopefully it doesn't go in here as www.data. Should go in here as Toby. And it did. Alright, cool. So now let's go ahead and do it. Stop this guy out here. NC tac lvmp. And I believe that's going to be on port 9999 if I remember correctly from up here. Yep, 9999. 10.9.8.166. Let me make sure that is the correct IP address. I have config 10.9.8.166. Cool. So now we should just have to wait, I think. I don't think that last one was executable or anything, was it? It was executable. Okay, so we gotta do more than just wait. Change mode plus X, or we'll actually do 777 for cow.sh. Can I do that? Sudo tac-u-toby. Jesus. Change mode 777 cow.sh. Alright. Now it should be executable. Cool. Let's make sure that this even works. /cow.sh. I should be able to get a reverse shell. I do. Okay. Cool. So I just want to make sure that that was even working properly. Once that cron job goes, now I should be a reverse shell as Toby. Should. I don't know. And supposedly if I do sudo tac-u-toby cat etsy cron tab, it's saying that's supposed to go every minute. Every 1 minute that's supposed to go. Home Toby jobs cow.sh, which cow.sh now is a reverse shell back to here. A bash reverse shell. So that should technically work just fine. Hopefully it actually does. Guess we'll find out, huh? Oh boy. Still waiting. I feel like it's been more than a minute, but it always feels like it takes forever. I hope I just didn't just mess it up, that's all. It's definitely been more than a minute. He has kind of JPEG in here. CD and scripts. Will script. Command.py. Import OS from command, get command. So this guy's running a lot of good stuff too. And then we have that command.py. Command.py. F number 1. Okay, so he's running stuff too. So we could throw stuff in there also. Tony can't. Only Will or Matt can. But man, we should really have that by now. That's flag 4. Still haven't found flag 3 yet though. I wonder if that's flag 4, right? I wonder if we need to get somebody else. Who has flag 3? Let's go ahead and cat scripts. Get, what is it? User flag? What the heck is it called? Find user text.text. So we can just do we can take this like right here. Instead of grep user.text, we can grep flag _3.text, right? It's in var more secrets. Okay, so let's go ahead and cd in there, or cd in a var www.html/more secrets. We'll say enter. Alright, got that one. Cool. So now we have 3 flags. We have 4 flags. And that guy should have really come by now. CD/home/Toby. Let's go ahead and CD in jobs. Cat that cow.sh. 10.9.8.166. 10.9.8.166. Port 9999. Let's go ahead and try a better port, I guess, on there. That should be running like right now. That should have worked like right there. You know, that's why I'm kind of getting a little bit scared of here, because I feel like that should have definitely worked like right there. Anyone got any ideas? Waiting on someone on YouTube like right now. I'm not seeing anything coming through for that guy right there for cow.sh. Maybe a netcat listener? Do we have netcat? Which NC? Okay, so it doesn't have netcat. Let's go ahead and cat a netcat listener. Scripts. NC reverse shell. We'll go ahead. Do we have NC tech E? Not looking like it. Okay. So we'll go ahead and throw this one in there, right? Let's go ahead and paste this guy down. 10.9.8.166. 4242. Okay. So that's what port is listening on. Let's go ahead and do an echo that into, we'll append him into cow.sh. Alright, cool. Did that. Let's go ahead and cat that cow.sh. Okay, and let's go ahead and do an NC tech LVMP 4242. And let's go ahead and run that cow.sh to make sure that is working. So it works over there, okay, exit out of there. And then it works over here. So exit out, it works on both now, like right now. Let's have that guy up and running. We'll keep this guy not doing anything. We'll wait for a minute and we'll see what happens. Rose Redemption, you got any ideas? Because I do not have any ideas on why, like 5 minutes later, this guy was still not bringing me back anything over to 9999 at least. If I cat that cow.sh, that should technically, I mean, I got a bash script in there and now a netcat shell in there, and it definitely comes through and brings it to me, so I know it's running. So if I cat/etc cron tab, we can see that it is running. User Matt's running it for home Toby Jobs cow.sh. But I did actually delete it, so I'm wondering if I messed it up. That's what I'm wondering. If whenever I delete it, I messed it up, and I don't have the wrong user running it or something like that. I don't know. So I'm wondering if I just need to reset this box. So I don't remember if Toby was running it or if Matt was running it over here. I feel like Matt was running it, so I feel like I royally messed it up. But I mean, I should still get a reverse shell. Let's go ahead and reset this box. I think I messed it up. We'll terminate it. We'll start the machine, and we'll see what happens. This is going to be easy to get back to that part, huh? Should be super easy actually to get back to that part. I think I done did broke it. I think. So, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. We'll go ahead and, what was it? It was FTP, because I think I had the credentials in there. We work it on, so the problem was that I created a reverse shell inside of something that someone was running, it was never coming back to me even though there was a cron job for it. Which terminal am I using? This is Terminator. So let me do a LSTAC LA, because I already have the FTP stuff, so that's going to be easy. So if I cap my FTP login, so we won't have to go through. So Rose Redemption, what we did was we went through, so far there was a local file inclusion, and there's an FTP, and so we were able to figure out that the FTP gave us, like, remember it was like pointing to and stuff like that, for this secret file thing for local file inclusion. We were able to get the credentials for FTP. So, and then once we got the FTP, we could put something in there. So what I did was I did a reverse shell.php, which I'll show you here in a second. So we go into FTP and do the IP address right. Boom. Rose Redemption will be all caught up and everything. FTP into here. God, Jesus. Exit. I mess it up. There. FTP user. We didn't pay this guy yet? No. Okay, so he's not actually up and running yet. That was actually a lie. 10.10.96.219. Okay, there we go. And the new American Horror Stories on Hulu, so I have to watch that now. It's actually fused. 10.10.96.219, right? Yeah. So just give it a couple more minutes, maybe. There we go. Okay. FTP user, and then we have give me file 777 for the password. And then we can put our shell.php in there. Right. And then from here we can go back to our local file inclusion to go to home, FTP user, FTP file, shell.php, which we did figure that out with our other local file inclusion. And we should get a reverse shell back to here. And of course we won't because that's the wrong IP address. So 10.10.96.219. 10.10.96. Because I had to reset the box. 96.219. Put shell.php, right? Yeah, okay. Oh, you want to know why? Because we have to actually CD the files. CD the files, put shell.php. Alright, now let's go ahead and run that. And 10.10.96.219, that's on HTTPS. Man, I'm getting more problems coming back into it than I was before. There we go. Okay, cool. So if I do a sudo tac outright, I can run stuff as Toby. We figured that out. So we run cd home, ls tac la. We got Toby there, cd into Toby, ls tac la. We get this cat note.txt, right? And we see that, hey, he's got some crawl jobs running. So we're like, all right, cool. Let's go ahead and cat those Etsy cron tabs, right? Cron tab, cat / Etsy cron tab. Alright, and we see something that's being ran by Matt for home Toby in the cow.sh. So if we cd into jobs, okay, and we do see his cow.sh. It was actually being ran by Toby the whole time, so that should have actually worked. If I do that cat cow.sh, this is pretty much like where we were last time. This copies home Matt cow JPEG into temp cow JPEG. That's all it does, alright? So from here, we then made a reverse shell back to myself, which should have worked with a bash reverse shell. So let's go ahead and cat that one more time. Scripts. And we should look at a bash reverse shell. Let's go ahead and grab him. Let's go ahead and make the port 443 this time. Something that, a box will actually use. This is going to be 10.9.8.166. Alright. We're going to echo this with a sudo tacu Toby. Then we're going to echo that into cow.sh. And then it says, can I create cow.sh permission denied? sudo tacu Toby. But we can delete cow.sh and bring it back into it, which was really confusing. But Toby's allowed to read and execute this. He's not allowed to write to it. So who can write to this guy? Alright, maybe I did not mess up. I mean, I did delete him and everything. But maybe I didn't mess up yet. Jesus Christ. There. CD to map. Let's CD to here first. That's flag 5. Maybe the flag numbers don't mean anything. Let's see these scripts. See, I need to be Matt or Will. That I can only read it. So I can't write to this, right? Echo test into. Yeah, I think so. That's you and a Toby. I can't do that. That's like right here. This is like where I'm getting pretty confused now. So, if I CD into jobs, right, now I'm starting to get to the point where I'm like, I don't know. I should be able to, I feel like, because right now all that does is copy a file in a temp folder, right? That's all it's doing, right? So, let's echo my own crap in here. No, okay, didn't think so. Alright, so right now it's sending something to a temp folder, so it's not doing anything of any importance. But I can't add a line to it, even though I can run Toby, you know, like that sudo Toby thing. So I can't do anything to it though. Can I add a new line to the cow.jpg? Just go into that? Where the hell is that cow.jpg one? I saw it before. See if you can map. I don't think so, because that's it. No. CD in the scripts, I guess. He's on flag 6. He's way up there. So that's what I'm really, that's like where I'm confused about. This is like where I'm lost at. Was right there. So, see, anybody else got any ideas? Nope, not yet. We found 4 flags so far. For some reason, we're having a problem getting in with Toby, but I feel like that shouldn't be very difficult at all. Because we could run Toby as whatever we want. That's what I don't understand. And we can't SU over to Toby. That's like the whole thing. Like we can't. That's what I don't understand either. Scripts, full shell, it's Python 3 based. I feel like I should just be able to SU to Toby, and without password, just get like right into him. But I can't do that. No. Why would I be able to do that? You know what I'm saying? Like that would... Like, if I can run Toby without a password, why can't I SU into Toby without a password. That's what I don't get. We can't go anywhere without it. Without which terminal are you? Man. Okay, there we go. sudo tac u Toby bin bash. Okay. There we go. Alright, now we're Toby. Now, I still feel like we should have gotten that reverse shell last time, though, too. I feel like we just skipped a step, and we should have got that reverse shell last time, you know? That's just how I feel. Let's go ahead and cd into home Toby. That didn't work. cd into jobs, because I think this is going to allow us to get into as Matt. We already got flag 4. So let's go ahead and echo into cow.sh. Now remember, we're appending the file here, right? So you see what that means whenever we append a file. So now if I do a cat cow.sh, you'll see that we have added something onto that file. Alright, let's go ahead and listen on port 443. And now we should get something back within a minute or so. Alright, hopefully that works now. I still feel like it should have worked last time, which that's what I'm kind of confused about. And okay, it worked this time, now we're Matt. So let's go ahead and cd into Matt. We already know there's more stuff in here, and it's writing out the Python right. cd / home Matt. Oh wait, we are already here. Let's go ahead and cat that flag for 5.text. Alright, now we're moving again. That was really weird. So we got that flag 5 right. Boom, submit that. We need flag 6 and flag 7. cd / home. ls-la. We have will. cd into will. That's who we still need left, right. There's flag 6. I can't read that yet, I don't think. According to ls-la, I can't read that. Alright, so what do we have there? cd back into Matt. Because we do have this script running. cd into scripts. And this one has willscript.py and the command.py. Let's go ahead and cat willscript.py. And he's importing OS, import sys, from command, import get command, whitelist. Okay, so he's whitelisting certain things. OS command equals system command. So he's whitelisting certain things that we're allowed to do. So we're not allowed to just throw whatever we want in there, right? What I'm wondering is if we can like take that away from him. You know, I don't know. So that's what I'm trying to figure out like right now, is if we can take that away from him, if what we can do. But let's try sudo tac l first. He can run no password with user bin python 3 willscript.py star. So he can run anything he wants after willscript.py. So we should be able to technically put something in there and put that into maybe like the command.py for whole Matt scripts command.py, and then from there be able to run the willscript.py, right, as sudo, I think. So let's go ahead and cat our Python scripts, and we do need a Python 3 one. Nope. Reverse shell, reverse Python. And I think we actually just need to do just this part right here. I don't think we need the Python part. I think it just needs to be this. I don't think we even need the, we might need the quotation marks, but I think that's about all that we need is from here over. I don't think we need the Python C, so this may not actually matter. I think we can run this in Python or Python 3, that guy right there. So we should be able to do an echo, and we actually want to make this so it actually goes back to 10.98.166 first, huh? So let's do a 10.98.166, port 8080 this time, in case there is an actual firewall on, right? NC LVMP 8080, okay. And we'll go ahead and grab that guy. Let's echo him. Alright. We'll attach him into, what should be command.py, right? cmd.py. Okay. Now if I cat cmd.py, he should be attached to there now. And he is, okay. Cool. So he should be attached to there, as far as I know. Now what we should be able to do is we should technically, and I don't know if I actually need those quotation marks around it, like the setup here. I don't know if I actually need those guys, because I think I just needed just single sets of quotation marks. I think I just did an echo, boom, into cmd.py. I think I actually just need to do that, like right there, in all honesty. And it should look like that, I think. I don't know. I don't know. But we got both of them in there now. So one of them are going to work. You know what I'm saying? One of them will work. So now what we need to do is we just need to now run user bin python 3 home match scripts will underscore script.py star, I think. And we should be good to go, I think. Sudo tacu will. Well, let's go ahead and do sudo tac-l first, because that's a lot of stuff to run. Sudo tacu will, because we can run this as will with no password. Can actually refused. Probably because I don't have the thing. Okay, so it did work. We know that much. Can I just press up and enter? Yes, I can. Alright, there we go. And there's will. Okay. So it did work. We have that guy up and running. Okay. So ls-tac-la. We are now will. Now all we have to do is get to root. I might as well do another sudo tac-l because everyone else has been able to run something with it, right? What can you do? Ooh, my God, I finally need a password. Okay. So I don't know Will's password. So I finally need a password. Okay, so I can't just do that. Let's go ahead and cd into will. Let's go ahead and grab that cat6.flag or cat6.text. But I thought my script was secure. You thought wrong. Okay, we'll submit that. And let's go ahead and check out my ID. Who am I? Ooh, I belong to the admin group. That's a different group, right? So what we can do is we can do a cat scripts. It's SUID lookup. This one down here, I believe it's this one like right here that I use to find groups. I think it's this one. And like what permissions you have in that group. I think it's that one. User bin wall, really. Or what group, I think this is actually what group users have what permissions, like right here. So let's go back to this guy like right here and see if we can run any binaries. Because I just have to figure out, because he's in, right, he's in the admin group, right, so now we just have to figure out how do I look up what he can do within that admin group, right. So I could have swore it was in here what he can run in that group. Let's go ahead and CD the temp. Oopsie daisy. Let's go ahead and add cat, or excuse me, not cat. Let's go ahead and do a copy privilege escalation also script, limps into here. wget. Let's go ahead and do a Python attack-m simple server. Do a wget http 10.9.8.166.8888/limps.sh. Alright, and let's go ahead and run limps. Change mode +X for limps.sh. Make that executable right. And let's go ahead and do a /limps.sh. And let's see, yeah, see that admin group, man. That is something. Whatever we could run as a group user, that is something. So the admin group is telling us there's that cron tab, cron job that we were running like right there. I do like how we have to hop between all the different users in here. That is always something I like. Because I realize that, you know, they can only use so much. What is this? Yeah, admin. I know I'm using that admin user group. I just don't know how I'm going to use it yet. I know I can do it. Cat. What should I do? Look up. Cat US type F2. I think I can just do it like that. Find slash. Instead of all that stuff, I think I just do a group admin. So I think I just do a find slash tech group admin. And I think it's just to dev null. I feel like it's something like that. Can I do that? Is that something I can do? I mean, it didn't give me an error. So I think it's group admin or group. Is it ADM? Because it is ADM up here, huh? Is that a thing? It's looking for me. I mean, it's not giving me an error. Let's see here. Let's see if I can do that. I can. Okay, cool. And I have opt backs. That key B64. That's probably base 64. Let me go ahead and throw it in my scripts, like right there. Echo that guy, like right there, into scripts SUID lookup.text. Now I can count my SUID lookup, and there we go. Okay, so we do have that in there. Whoopsie daisy. Let's go ahead and whoopsie daisy. Jesus Christ. So we have to get this back to get that. Oh my God. Hopefully this didn't mess everything up. Because I don't remember how everything was actually running. Now I just have to wait again. Messed it all up. Messed that whole thing up. Because I have to wait for 443, right? Yep. To be able to get this guy up and running. To be able to run. Be able to run the command.py, right? Or was it realscript.py? Was it realscript.py or command.py? God, I don't want to run the wrong one. I think it was realscript.py. I think I was running. Oh, it's whatever's in sudo tac-l, isn't it? Sudo tac-l. Let's go ahead and run this whole thing as will. Sudo tac-u will. Okay. CD in the op. CD in the backups. That's where we found that one thing at right with the key. Key 64 is going cat that key B64. Remember, the only thing we really got left to go into, that's definitely base 64, is root. So I'm wondering if this is going to be root users. I'm going to nano, or we can actually echo that into a base 64. Tag D, decode that. And this is a private key, and I'm thinking that this is the private key for root. So let's go ahead and nano ID RSA. Throw that in there. And then root or change mode to 600 IDRSA, SSH TAC I root TAC I IDRSA root at this box, expiring soon. I feel like it's not, so 33 minutes on it. Okay, at that, yes, and then we'll go ahead and see if that works. Hopefully it works. Really hoping it works. It's stuck. It's frozen. It's trying its hardest to do it. Oh, it's like, you guys aren't as nearly as talkative as you were the other day. And flag 7.text. Cool. Cat that. Flag 7.text. And we'll go ahead and throw that into there. And we'll submit that. So that is 7 of them done today. 7 flags done. We'll terminate this guy, turn him off. That was a fun one. I really enjoyed that one. About an hour long to get through that box, so not too bad. I feel like that wasn't too bad at all. It is 10 o'clock though. Time for me to go lay down and go to bed. Perfect timing. Thank you for joining me. I'll stick around for a few minutes for any questions, and I will do Cyborg probably in a couple days. You know, tomorrow I will not be doing it, but in a couple days I can go ahead and do him, so we'll do that. Alright, so that one was a lot of fun. How is just this box like right here, just for moving around and just, you know, reverse shells everywhere. Thank you very much, Rose. Thanks a lot. Alright, if there's not any questions, I'm going to head out. You have a good night or good morning, wherever it is in your time zone. And yep, you guys have a good one.